Every business needs appealing images and videos for website and regular social media posts because they add premium feel to the overall appearance of business and grab the attention of visitors to glue them to your website, thus making way for you to make more sales. Millions of business owners around the world spend heavily on visual content marketing today, but here are the biggest problems that are never fixed. Not everybody's a design whiz, and stock videos or photos are not so cheap. Sites like Shutterstock and Envato charges $100 to $500 for single stock files. Can you believe it? You can even search and use videos or images from Google, but too bad that's illegal and can get you penalized forever with hefty fines. And not everyone can afford to pay thousands of dollars per project to design agencies. That's why we created PrimeStocks to fix these problems for everyone. A searchable and browsable cloud-based platform with royalty-free 1 million plus HD stock videos, 3 million plus HD stock images, 10,000 plus 4K HD stock images, 50,000 plus GIFs, 20K plus vectors, and 5,000 plus royalty-free audios with easy-to-use premium Photoshop-like editor. You can search for a perfect video or image for your next social post, ad, blog, or website with a keyword for free. Get over sites like Shutterstock, which charges up to $500 for a single image or video. Save costs and download unlimited similar premium HD quality media files. PrimeStocks is easy to use, and all it takes is just 3 simple steps. Step 1. Type in the keyword to find the perfect image or stock media. Step 2. Preview the stock and select the size. Step 3. Simply download, edit, or share on social media. You will get power to select from 1 million plus HD stock videos, 3 million plus HD stock images, 10,000 plus 4K HD stock images, 50,000 plus done-for-you GIFs, 20K plus vectors, 5,000 plus royalty-free audios with easy-to-use premium Photoshop-like editor. And the possibilities are limitless. You can create social media posts, ads without paying an extra fee for any app or software. Create highly engaging videos and graphics and publish them on social media to get more traffic. Use images and videos to create high-converting sales or explainer videos. Get more traffic to your website by ranking content and video on Google. Creating high ROI ads and reduce your costs. Build brand reputation via content marketing. Search and post highly engaging GIFs in one click. Click and edit any image or video without any extra tool or subscriptions. At this point, you're probably asking yourself, how much does PrimeStocks cost? The regular price of PrimeStocks is $697 per year, which is actually a bargain considering everything it does, and the money that it can save you compared to sites like Shutterstock, which charge hundreds of dollars per stock media. But because you found us through this special offer we're running for a limited time, we're going to give you an offer you simply won't find anywhere else. Instead of paying the regular $697 a year price to use PrimeStock, if you order today from this special page, you can get PrimeStocks for the low price of just $67 one-time price. Imagine you'll pay $67 one time only, and you'll get full access to PrimeStocks without any restrictions at all. And if you are not completely satisfied with your purchase within 30 days of buying PrimeStocks, we will refund 100% of your money, no questions asked. Every penny will be gladly refunded to you within the first 30 days. Nothing could be more fair than that. So stop spending thousands with design agency. Avoid the risk of penalty from Google for using free videos or images, and save thousands by not paying to Shutterstock-like sites for stock media needs. Save cost and download unlimited premium HD quality videos and images in one click inside PrimeStocks dashboard and give wings to your business. Click on the button and get your PrimeStocks account today.